bwagamba n'emitima yabo ayi mukama twakusiima
enkuyanja y'eminyeeto ku rw'umureberezi bwa ankore eyiteeranira office za bishop mu Ruharo okwejumbira mu Ekiteerane eky'omurundi ogw'ikuminagumwe.
The time you are going to be here, young people, is going to be a turnaround in your life. As I have already mentioned, some of you raised the money on your own and you have come and paid. I am praying that the money that you have paid, the seed that you have sown, will be able to grow and bear much fruit.
Bishop Sheldon Mwesigwa niwayigwireho ekiteerane ekyo mu kire kya busheshera izooba kandi asiimira abakitebeekanise hamwe n'abaziire aba basize kwikiriza eminyeeto egi hamwe n'abaana okwija kumanya Mukama.
You have come before God to seek him, and it is time for you to reflect. Like the children of Israel had to gather and assemble at Ahava by the canal as they were there to reflect before they would go back to Jerusalem, their home.
Abahereza ba Mukama barimu abareberezi nka Right Reverend Amos Magezi, Right Reverend Geoffrey Rwobusisi hamwe n'abandi bagambe nabo bari kuza kuri eminyeeto egi ekigambo kya Mukama.
We are also partnering with Ruhanga Mission Hospital.
Kandi nitongera kwatangisa n'aba Mission Hospital,
our own hospital.
irwariro ryeitu.
They will be doing several activities in order to help us understand, know our status, and do some tests which is going to talk about. Yabarabo kigambo cyawe, yabarabo bwabo n'imitima yawo, mbabajariwe.
Ekiteerane eki nikija kumara ebirobe n'ahabureberezi bwa ankore aho eminyeeto egi eteekateekirwe kumanya ekigambo kya Mukama obwe barikwetebeekanisiza okuhumuruka okugaruka aha mashomero.
Omusiso omwe kwarikwetiisa omwiguru habayembaga mbwenu numugira ngu hatabayo ki ahabwa ababona.
Gasha kwa Michael tumwakire.